guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Want to make it easier for your visitors to connect with you on social media? One of the best ways to do that is by adding social media icons to your WordPress site. These icons serve as direct links to your social profiles, helping you grow your audience, boost engagement, and build trust by showing that you're active and connected across platforms. So, in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the different ways to add social media icons to your WordPress site, starting with the simplest method, using the social icons block in WordPress. Yes, WordPress includes a built-in social icons block that allows you to easily add clickable icons to your posts, pages, headers, footers, or widget areas. Let's start by adding social icons to a post or page. Open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Posts, and select All Posts. Now select the post where you want to add the social icons, and it will open the site editor. Click the plus icon on the top left to add a new block. Search for Social Icons, and then drag and drop to your site. Click the plus icon and search for the social media icon you want to add. First, I'm going to search for Facebook. Now, I want to add more icons. I'll add Instagram and TikTok. Then click on each icon to add your social media links. Here you can customize the icon size and alignment to match your site's design. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save or Update to publish your changes. Then click View Post to see your live WordPress site with the icons in place. How about adding icons to your site's header? Go back to your dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and click Editor. Double-click on the blank section, and this message will pop up. Then, click Edit Template. Click on the area where you want to place the icons, add the social icons block, and you can click on Browse All to see all available social icons. Then configure the links and save your changes. Okay, let's say you also want to add icons to the widget area, like your sidebar or footer. So, go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and then click Editor. Again, double-click on the blank section, and this message will pop up. Then click Edit Template. Click the plus icon, search for Sidebar, then click the sidebar, and click on Edit. Delete all content, then find Social Links. Now, select your social media icons. You can choose from a wide range of platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. You can also customize the appearance, the size, and the layout. Once done, click on the back button. Now, here you can find all the social icons that you've added to your sidebar, and then enter your social media links. If your theme doesn't support the social icons block, or you want more customization options, you can use a plugin. One popular option is Jetpack. This free plugin provides a comprehensive suite of tools, including social media sharing buttons and social media icons. It's a great option for those seeking a one-stop shop for basic social media functionality. To use Jetpack, go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, click Add Plugin, search for Jetpack, and then click Install Now and activate. Once it is activated, go back to the dashboard menu, then navigate to Jetpack and click Settings. Enable the Sharing Buttons option. Then click Configure your sharing buttons, select the page where you want to add your social media links, click the plus icon, search for Social, then grab the Sharing Buttons block. Add the social links. Then once done, click Save. Now, your visitors can use those buttons to share your content directly on their favorite social media platforms. Another great plugin is Social Media Share Buttons and Social Sharing Icons. This one gives you a ton of customization options, like different icon styles, animations, and placements. It's perfect if you want to add both profile links and sharing buttons. To install this plugin, go to Plugins, click Add Plugin, then use the search box to find it. Click Install Now and activate. Then choose which social media platforms you want to include, customize the appearance, and decide where to display them on your site. When a visitor sees a social share button, they can click it to open a pre-filled post on their chosen platform, making it super easy to share your content. And that's it! Whether you use WordPress's built-in social icons block or a plugin like Jetpack, adding social media icons to your site is a simple yet powerful way to connect with your audience and grow your online presence. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.